Hi guys, this is day 2 of the ride from Sydney to Dorrigo, where the ADV Fest has been held. We're up in the Nundle State Forest, and you can just see around how nice and easy flowing the riding is. It's just really nice, easy riding. There's a few little patches where you've got the, you know, the loose surfaces, but you know, if you're riding at a sensible speed, it's all pretty manageable. So we've just come off the road and back into the agricultural roads. This will take us into Walker. It's really good riding through here also. Again, nice and easy. There are other ways to come up through here, but I've just given the most direct route. The seasoned adventure riders would know from Sydney, would probably know, and the guys up here in this area, the other options. But there's nothing wrong with this. So we keep left, a lot of farmers around here, a lot of farms, so those corners you can't see around, keep over. You guys new to adventure riding, you know, you don't have to grip onto your grips all day long, like holding on really tight. Your hands should just be relaxed. One finger over each lever, that's how I ride, because if I've got to pull the clutch in or hit the front brake pretty quick, I can do it. And your hands just relaxed. Don't have to be gripping on. As if you're a new rider and you're day 2 of your first big ride, your arms probably getting sore from gripping on day 1. So yeah, it's just something you get used to and just practice, and then it becomes second nature. And even holding one finger over each lever, again, that's it feels a bit weird at first, but now I do it, I don't even know I'm doing it. So
roof.
So, sorry Jeff, fuck off. Don't know what happened there, mate. So Jeff, where are we going today, mate?
In Armadale, going to east, out back roads to Ebor.
Yep.
Then from Ebor we'll find some other roads and head to Dorrigo.
Sounds good, mate.
Find some scenery.
Yeah. Beauty. Thanks. The Armadale Adventure Rider Group. Great bunch of guys. Had a big turnout. They've mapped the ride for us over to Dorrigo from Armadale for ADV Fest. They actually helped me with my very first event that I put on at Morden Ponds. They helped with the full setup, found the venue. I came up here, they were very welcoming, they're a great bunch of guys. Always open to, you know, people to join them on their rides. And you know, just look how good the turnout is. It's a Friday. They've all taken the day off work. Some of them may or may not work, I'm not too sure, but whatever their story is, we've got a sweep rider, we've got lead riders, and they've assured me that it's going to be really nice, easy going. The weather's perfect. They've had rain for the last, not a few days, it stopped raining a few days ago, but they had good downpour, so everything should be in pretty good condition. Okay, so we have now reached the dirt. We're using the corner man system, and again it's nice, easy flowing riding. There's actually a little bit of dust around, you can probably see it, but we're not in a mad rush. We'll easily get to Dorrigo. I'd just like to really thank the Armadale Adventure Riding Group for their support, in particular Tony Bennett and Jeff, not Phil, who's leading the ride today. I know Jeff, and for some weird reason I put the camera on, I must have got, I don't know, my mind just went elsewhere and I called him Phil. I really don't know what happened there, but that's just the way it happens. New to YouTube, it's my first YouTube video, proper one, and that's for the ride to ADV Fest. But you know, these guys are just riding at a nice easy pace, not in a hurry. We're just out, you know, enjoying life, enjoying our riding. Just got to be mindful, you know. I mean, we could scream past and overtake, but that's not what today's about, or never about. We're just cruising. Pull up, we'll have a coffee in Ebor, some lunch, fill the bikes up and go again. Just look at the scenery around here. Great adventure riding roads. You know, just, you just can't, you can't put a price on it. Look at that. Priceless. It's the best way. I know it costs to go adventure riding, but you know, you can get a cheap bike. You don't need to have the best bike. You don't need to have all the bells and whistles. This sort of riding is easy, smooth, enjoyable. And this group, the Armadale Adventure Group, they're so used to riding in their, you know, in their pack. They have respect for each other. They don't rocket past, banging handlebars. I've seen guys do that, you know. Experienced riders go past you and they just want to get past, and, you know, they don't want to be at the back. But you know, when there's an organised ride by the group, we respect it. No heroes out here, that's for sure. No heroes in adventure riding. Sure, you know, you could fly past and get up to the lead rider and hang the corner man, but you're only as, when you're doing corner man system, you know, you're only as fast as the slowest rider, and we're out here, we're just enjoying it. Great riding. Now we are at a good pace. No one's complaining. Again, another big
I still don't know how they, even on those bloody 450s they ride, I've still got no idea how they can ride so fast in that second. Same as the thing.
Yeah, they just flat chat.
They just jump in.
Like on the ground and singing or whatever.
Traffic is free.
On a real cold one, it freezes. Fully freezes over.
Really?
Yeah.
No, that is wrong.
Photos in the little
Come on.
Plus Cafe. Yeah.
No way.
Yeah, got to have a look.
Oh, I've got to see that.
-8 for all you people out there. Come to the New England.
The roar of the 990. And we're back in. There you go, beautiful country road. Back into the dirt. Got to watch out for oncoming traffic in these little roads. I'm sure there's some locals get around here pretty quick. I know the road. Just back it off. There's no hurry. Watch these blind corners. This is bringing us into Dorrigo, back onto the waterfall way. So you can stay on the waterfall way if you don't, you know, if you're running late, you don't want to do this extra bit, don't do it. Take it easy. No rush, don't start getting too excited as we get closer to Dorrigo. If you've come this way, just be mindful. Watch cars, there's definitely car tracks on here, so with slide marks on them, so they come around these corners pretty quick. Here we are, coming into the 50k zone of Dorrigo. All the way from Sydney. Wiseman's Ferry, Singleton, Nundle, Walker, Armadale, Dorrigo. Great little town. And it's some of the best adventure riding in the country. And here it is. Dorrigo Mountain Holiday Park, the home of ADV Fest.
Yeah, come on. ADV Fest.
We'll do it again. Yeah.
ADV Fest.
All right.
ADV Fest, 23rd to 25th of August, Dorrigo, New England. Be there.